I got 37 summers to go before my clock ticks to a stop. Each day is a page in my storybook. Time flies, leaves falling in the fall.
See what it looks like.
37 summers.
Right 37
I
summers
won't
to go.
waste a one. Living life, making memories mine. With every breath, I'll chase the sun. Till the final chapter, I won't run. Moments pass like clouds in the sky. Some bright, some gray, but always high. I laugh and cry, take risks and try to make each moment count. You see, 37 summers, I'll hold on tight to every joy, every single night. Life's a journey, let's ride it right, with love and laughter till the very last light. 37 summers, let's not delay. The days are precious, they'll fly away. So let's dance, sing, and live our way to the end without a single fear.
So I am walking down Sukhumvit 33 on my way back to my hotel after get that coffee this morning, my coffee fix. We're gonna see what we can get into today here in Bangkok on 37 summers to go. It's hot.